Hi, this is Qiquan Wang. In this video, I'd like to show you how to set waiting room so that students can bypass the waiting room and go directly to your Zoom class. Zoom made this security feature change earlier this month, August 2020. So this is completely new, and everyone has to do this. Otherwise, everybody will be put into the waiting room. Here, I need to log in to MyHACC and then go to Zoom conference, log into Zoom, sign in here. This is the web portal of the Zoom account. Click Settings. Zoom added a security feature here in the web portal. And first thing is waiting room. It's enabled, so the waiting room is on, but you need to click Edit Options here. I already made the change. If you haven't made the change, it should be everyone still. That means everybody, whether it's your students or your co-worker, other HACC employees, will be put into the waiting room. What you need to do is click the third one, users who are not in your account and not part of the allowed domains. So you type the star symbol, .hac.edu. If type this, it's a dot, it's not a comma, it's a dot. star.hac.edu. Then click Continue. I already did. So this was already in my setting. So I click Cancel. Yours, if you do it the first time, it should be in blue color and click Continue. And so right now, I need to click Cancel. So now this choice is selected. Users who are not in your account and not part of your whitelisted domains will go into the waiting room. So your hac.edu will be the listed domain. All the students or all the employees who sign in via MyHACC will bypass the waiting room and go directly to your class. Otherwise, if you don't make this change, all of them will be put into the waiting room, no matter who it is, including all HACC students and employees, unless you make this change. Hope this helps. If you have questions, please let me know. Thank you.